Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. In today's competitive landscape, building client trust isn't just a nice to have, it's the foundation of any successful business. With so many options available to clients, they're looking for more than just a product or service. They want to work with businesses they can genuinely trust. So, how do you ensure that your business is the one clients turn to again and again? Stick around, because we're diving into proven strategies to build and maintain client trust in 2024. Let's start with something fundamental but often overlooked: transparency and authenticity. Now, more than ever, clients are savvy. They can spot insincerity a mile away. Gone are the days when businesses could hide behind polished marketing speak. Clients want real, authentic interactions. Be upfront about your capabilities, pricing, and timelines. If something goes wrong, own it. Admitting a mistake and showing how you'll fix it does far more for your credibility than trying to sweep it under the rug. Authenticity builds a human connection, which is the cornerstone of trust. Next, let's talk about leveraging testimonials and case studies. In the age of information overload, word of mouth still reigns supreme. But here's the thing. Today's word of mouth comes in the form of testimonials and case studies. Showcase the success stories of your clients, but don't just cherry-pick the highlights. Include challenges and how you overcame them. This not only adds depth to your success, but also shows potential clients that you're equipped to handle tough situations. It's one thing to say you're great. It's another to have someone else say it for you. This third-party validation can be a powerful tool in building credibility. Consistent communication is another critical factor. Think about it. How often have you been frustrated by a business that goes radio silent once you've signed a contract? It's a major red flag. Regular updates, even if there's no significant news, reassure clients that they're still a priority. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Sometimes a quick check-in is all it takes. Consistency in communication demonstrates reliability, and reliability is a key ingredient in the trust recipe. Now, let's get into practical tips for delivering exceptional customer service. This isn't just about resolving issues. It's about creating a memorable experience that makes clients want to return. Start by really listening to your clients. What are their pain points? What are they hoping to achieve? By understanding their needs deeply, you can tailor your services to exceed expectations. Going the extra mile doesn't have to be costly. Sometimes it's the small gestures that make the biggest impact. A handwritten thank you note, a follow-up call, or even just remembering a client's preference can turn a one-time customer into a loyal advocate for your brand. One area where many businesses fall short is client engagement. In 2024, it's not enough to simply deliver a service. You need to engage with your clients in innovative ways. This can be as simple as soliciting feedback through surveys, or as complex as creating interactive content that helps clients feel more connected to your brand. The key is to make your clients feel heard and valued. When you ask for feedback and then actually act on it, you're not just making improvements, you're showing clients that their opinions matter. This can dramatically strengthen your relationship and, by extension, their trust in your business. As we wrap up, remember that these strategies aren't just about checking boxes. They're about fostering genuine, lasting relationships with your clients. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a larger organization, implementing these tactics will position you as a trusted leader in your industry. In a world where trust is hard to earn and easy to lose, these strategies will give you the edge you need to not only survive, but thrive. So, if you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Dan the Cleaning Man channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more insights to elevate your business. Let's continue this journey together, building trust and transforming client relationships one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.